Today, I'll walk you through how to change the position of a legend in a Power BI chart, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reposition your legend so you can enhance the clarity of your visualizations. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll be making your adjustments. Next, select the visual. Click on the chart or graph that contains the legend you want to move. Think of this as selecting a canvas before you start painting. It's essential to choose the right one. Now let's open the Format pane. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Format visual icon, which looks like a paintbrush. Click on that icon to access the formatting options for your selected visual. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your chart. Once you're in the Format pane, expand the Legend settings. Under the Visual tab, which should be active by default, locate the Legend section and click to expand it. Make sure the toggle for the legend is turned on. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your legend is visible and ready for repositioning. Now it's time to change the position of your legend. Look for the Position drop-down menu within the Legend settings. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several options for placement. You can choose from top, bottom, left, or right, with additional sub-options like center or auto-wrapped. Take a moment to select your preferred location. For instance, if you want your legend to be at the top center of your chart, simply select that option. It's like rearranging furniture in a room to create a more inviting atmosphere. The right position can make all the difference in how your data is perceived. Once you've made your selection, you'll see your legend reposition itself instantly on the chart. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across various versions of Power BI. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the position of a legend in your Power BI chart. This small adjustment can greatly enhance the readability of your visuals, making your data storytelling more effective. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.